Hello, this is Victor. Welcome to the channel, Vic5, and probably going to be season 4. This is the getting close to the end of my computer build. The last part is to install the hard drive before we can turn the computer on and then load Windows. So we're going to install the hard drive today. So I'm going to turn the camera over to my brother and we'll get started. Okay, so here you go, Edie. Alright, there you go. Alright, so first I'm going to open up the computer. So we can get access to the drive bays. Oops. There's one, and then the other one. There we go. Okay, so there we have the computer, and we'll just get this stuff out of here. Okay, so this is the hard drive, which is going to be the C drive. It's a 2 terabyte drive. Let's just open this up. Actually, I'm just going to cut it here. Okay. So there is the drive. Now this is a hybrid drive. So what it means, it has a solid state or SSD cache, or solid state being SSD being solid state drive. Anyway, so with the cache being SSD, which means no moving parts, it's going to be faster. Kind of like having a high-speed elevator for moving people, or in this case, moving data. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to just plug it in here. This is the back of the drive. So what we have here is the power connection over here and the SATA connection over here, which is the data connection. Okay, so in order to install it into the drive bay, we're going to need these 2 connectors over here and here. We don't need this yet, so I think I could just put this aside. Okay, so basically I'm going to install the drive with the power connectors in the back. Hi, this is Victor. We had some technical difficulties in that the ran out of memory, so deleted some files, so we're back in operation. Okay, so back to my brother. Here you go. Okay, so anyway, so here's the hard drive. What I'm going to do is, of course, like I said, the power connectors here, the data connectors here. I'm going to install it in this way for the moment. These ones are the rails that go right in here. So basically what we do is just plug these into here and just like push that in. There it is. And this one goes in here like that and goes in like that. And for now, I think we're going to just put it into this slot over here. And you'll see it snapping in. There. So now it's plugged in. Okay. So now we're going to just undo this connection over here from the Blu-ray drive. And we're going to turn the computer around. Oops. So that we can go to the back. Hang on. Alright. And just make sure I'm not on the cord. There we go. And so the cord is going to go, I'm going to just put the cord through here for the moment. There we go. Okay, so, oops, there it is. And for the moment, I'm going to put it in to there. Eventually, that's not going to reach, so I'm going to need another one for this one. So for now, I'm just going to plug this one in right over here. There. Okay, now over here, from the motherboard, there's the SATA connections cords, which are, oops, for the data. Okay, so what happens is, so I'm going to use the one that goes down. As you can see here, goes into there. So it's just connecting like that. And then we're going to just put it through here. Oh, actually we might do it over here. Okay. This one I'm going to use for the Blu-ray drive. So again, we're going to turn the computer around. Okay. So here is the cord. Now this is, the motherboard has 6 SATA connections. Here, 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 there, and there. So for the Blu-ray drive and the C drive, which is what this is going to be, we're going to put it in here. So it's just going to go, let's see, like that. Let's just see if I got it right. Either that or I have to turn it around. Hang on. I think I have to turn it around. Okay. So, yep, there it is. Okay. So I've got another one over here for the Blu-ray drive. So again, I'm going to have it going like this. And for the Blu-ray drive, just for cable management, I'm going to put it in here, funnel it through here, so it's just a little bit cleaner, and then funnel it back out through here. There we go. And it's going to go into this connection over here, which is going to go there. You kind of hear that snap. Now the other power connector is going to be right here, and of course this one snaps in there, so we're going to just snap it in right there. See? Snaps in, and it's going to, for the moment, just going to connect over here on top. See right there. Just better. Okay. There. On the very top, right there. It's going to go in like that. There, as you can see, now it's in. And that completes it. So there we have the hard drive connected to power and data, Blu-ray drive connected, power and data, the case connections from here connected to in there, hard drive or HD audio in there, the USB from the front is over here. There's additional USB right here if I wanted to put a USB card in the front here, or even in the front here, or actually in the front here. I can connect it from there through to there. Okay, so that completes the all the hardware for now. So we've got everything in. We've got the power supply, the motherboard, the hard drive, the C drive. I will be loading additional drives right in here once I've started up the computer. So the next stage is going to be connecting the computer to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and turning the power on without the windows loaded on. And we should just see a simple diagnostic screen showing everything working. Okay, so we'll be back for that. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in my next episode. Okay, bye-bye.